Yo, how's it going, YouTube fam? So today we have day 2 of sunset. If you saw day 1, man, fun. I can't even express like how great it was to see everybody from Radiate, and we all got together, we squatted up, amazing time. So today's day 2. We're gonna try to do similar things. No Radiate meetup though, but we got some other meetups going on, and it's the last day. I'm kind of sad that it's almost over. Anyways, enjoy. I got tattoos there. Got the bandana. Is this Frisky Hug? Yeah. Okay, so we're on our way to the Airbnb because she forgot her ID. But we're thriving still.
She is 17 anyway.
We're thriving.
There's like 6 of us in that car, which is not illegal. And not in the state of California. Wait, Texas, Florida. Alright, so a couple of things are happening. They won't let anybody inside because there's apparently like lightning in the area or something. And second thing, a dog sniffed me, so now I gotta get my stuff checked, my shoes checked, my whatever checked. So we're here. Okay, so we just got done getting cavity searched, but we're in the fest now. They delayed it for a little bit because of lightning. We just got done taking some pictures. I'm here with some of the fam. We do have a meetup in like 10 minutes though, so yeah.
Oh, is that Frisky Hug? Is that Frisky Hug?
Please no pictures. Lunchbox meetup.
I was wondering like why the fuck my legs are so heavy. I was like, oh yeah.
I try to like get rid of them as I go. Oh my god, that one's so fucking cute. I love how you do it. Oh my god.
Everything is a la 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 la.
Right now, or what?
I was gonna make out with you. Oh, awkward.
We're here at the Relita Couture meetup, hosted by yours truly and yours truly right over there.
We left right before the fucking last song.
Shots will make you levitate.
I'm with Anna at the house stage. much. I'm gonna just wait for Vanessa, but I don't know if I should get tacos. Tacos or who's playing? I don't know. One or the other. Let's do it. I don't know. Okay, look how good this stuff is. Look. Oh my God. Look. The food's on point though. I'll tell you that.
What time?
Friends about a night. I'm gonna come back to this big trip.
I'm gonna stay right here.
Alright, I'll be right back.
You wanna come back here?
Yeah, I'm coming right back. A small one.
He didn't mean that. The whole clip is.
I'm actually a cop. I've arrested 14 people so far.
Stop! Sir, let me go! Stop!
I only cry sometimes. It's no big deal.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. We're having a fucking blast, bitches.
We're all doing
Yes.
great. We're doing fantastic. Are you a bodybuilder? Oh my God. Holy shit. Are you a bodybuilder? Oh.
I do yoga. I just do yoga.
Oh my God.
Hey, show my legs.
Give me that dick.
Hey, we're going in.
Oh boy.
Alright, do you think, buddy? What? See you again. You too, man.
I'll see you at Forbidden Kingdom.
Yes.
Nice
Oh,
to meet
please,
you.
clean her.
We'll see you guys at Forbidden
Yep.
Kingdom too.
Grab on, let's go.
Thank you guys so much. I have time for one more. Here we go.
Can you guys see me in here? Hello? Yes. So we are in the parking lot trying to get the fuck out. But we're vibing. We're in a really good mood, and we're gonna go shower in the hotel.
Pictures of Spider-Man.
Yeah, my voice is still shot.
You have so many little moles.
Yeah, they're cute.
Yeah, I know. I love them. Like a constellation.
I don't know if you guys can see her poking at me, but I can't wait to shower.
I got a couple. I got one on my neck.
Is it on, Ellie? Oh, she got it.
Okay, we're recording. Is it recording?
Hi, our name's Frisky Hug.
Hi, we're Frisky Hugs. We're EDM content creators.
Content creators.
We have YouTubes. Follow us on
YouTubers.
Snapchat.
I'm at Frisky Hug.
Add me on YouTube. Okay, no, but okay. Say something nice about Manny.
We love you, Manny. You're great. Thanks for spending so much time with us this weekend. We really just enjoyed all the time we got to see you. That set we saw together, wow, it was just
That
really
one set,
great.
remember?
I didn't get any sets with you, but I still love you very much. Yeah, we love you. We love your energy.
You're amazing, and I love talking to you on the phone. You understand
Love
me.
you, Manny.
And I understand you, and you're amazing, and
You're
it's a
my
gift
best
to be
friend.
your friend.
Oh,
I love you, Manny.
Get that blunt on camera.
Get the ball on camera. Hey, don't hit the cat.
Oh, there's a cat. We got the blunt on camera.
Hey.
Manny, you're a real one.
All right, Frisky Hug signing out.
Hello YouTube fam. So we are done with day 2. We're just gonna chill and relaxing at the hotel. We showered. You should have seen all the gunk that fell out of our body. It was black. I feel like there's dirt in my lungs right now. I'm gonna go back home. This ends the vlog. Some pros and cons. The pros being that the hotels were roughly like a mile from the venue for most hotels, so that was kind of nice. And I would say like maybe like a con would be the fact that